This is a nice little 17 by 40 lathe made by King Machinery in China. It's wired 230 volt, 3-phase. Has a 10-inch 3-jaw chuck, 10-inch 4-jaw chuck, steady rest, follow rest, 4-way tool post, a chip guard, and a faceplate, and your wrenches. Hand wheel is mounted on the right side of the carriage so it don't get in the way of the chips from the chuck. Gauge long feedback up the end and down. Cross feed by picking it up. Has a foot brake, shuts it off. It stops the chuck. You got speed ranges from 38 to 1500. High and low range. Oh, it is crystal clear. Everything seems to work perfectly on the machine. It has a hardened ways and there's no score marks.